Is a doorway to wisdom. By these warm lines, I am going to start my presentation. Today, my topic is Make in India, and first of all, I would like to thank my sir who has given me the chance to speak on this topic. Today, my topic is Make in India. Shall I start? Thank you, sir. First of all, I would like to introduce Make in India. Make in India is an initiative started by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has started this in India for the development of the country. It was started in 25th September 2014, and initially it was grown on 2015. And the main motto of this Make in India is that the country companies and the domestic companies should implement their ideas and startups for the development of country. The other countries who has the companies for manufacturing should make their plants in India, so that the India growth towards development. And the actual thinking about this is that India will get high technology, and in job sector there are many opportunities for Indians, and India GDP will also grow from this. And the last thing is that at the sectors, there are many sectors which are सब प्रभावित हो गए हैं. Campaign is that there are 25 sectors. Main sectors are like automobiles, ports and airlines, and many mobile companies are also building their sectors in India. And by this campaign, India is getting good technologies and a high amount of money, and in job sectors there are many opportunities developed by this campaign. And this is my topic, and I have described all about that. Is there any question about this topic?